This is art. It seems like forever that the subject of test certification has been used as a panacea for sieve mesh quality. These ideas have often overshadowed the practice of sieve calibration. In particle size testing circles, these two concepts or practices have been debated endlessly. In the short presentation that follows, we illustrate the differences, exhibit the purposes, and show the practical use of both sieve calibration and sieve certification. This is about sieves, their certification, and their calibration. Aren't these the same thing? The answer is no. Let's start with certification. ASTM and other standards organizations, such as ISO, have set standards for test sieve construction, and more importantly, the tolerances for the openings in the sieve mesh. The certification happens when the sieves are built. It's an insurance policy that a sieve conforms. Sieve calibration, on the other hand, is a procedure that determines whether the sieves are performing correctly when in use. There are three basic ways to calibrate a sieve. First, the use of high-precision calibration beads or spheres, which is a method that gives the most precise results, giving a real performance measure in terms of actual mean openings. Another method is to use a master stack of sieves as a known performance standard to compare the performance of working sieves. There is another rarely used method of maintaining a known sample and checking the working sieves against this sample. Check out the video, How to Calibrate a Test Sieve. Hope this is useful.